Hello, my crafty friends. What a mess, huh? Have you ever had ribbons that look like this? I bet you have. We all have. That's what crafters do. They use ribbons. They constantly use ribbon. And what do? All sizes. We end up doing this. And then maybe once it's rolled, we end up putting a piece of Scotch tape, which is not good. Puts adhesive on the ribbon. Let me show you a tip. Doesn't matter what spool you have. Once you're done with it, all you need to do to prepare your spool is you cut a little slit into your lid, run the ribbon in, and there you have your ribbon always ready to go. And it really doesn't matter when you use it up. Cut a little slit and use it up. It doesn't matter what size you have, it'll still work. This is an old ribbon that I had never threw away, but it's there. You may say that a wired ribbon doesn't need to be tucked away, but it will unravel to you. So even with a small thin spool like this, which I'm at the end of my ribbon, you can still put it in. These are Dollar Tree ribbons, and you still can take it and slit and add like that. So easy. You have a big ribbon spool like this, and then you end up having Scotch tape on it. Take that Scotch tape off, because it'll unravel if you don't put something. Take the Scotch tape off, put a slit, and there you go. You have your ribbon ready to go. This one is the same way. This is a big spool. Just cut a ribbon. But for this one, I'll tell you what I found was easier, is I just cut a slit, but I cut it in a little V. Because it is so thick, I just found that by doing that, and now I'll take off that Scotch tape. When I'm doing that, I can pull it in a little farther, and it stays. Just like that. Hope this has been helpful for you. I'll tell you one thing, it'll organize your threads, your ribbons, that they won't get them all mixed up, and they'll all be together. When you're ready to use them, you'll pull it out, unravel, pull it off of the slit, unravel, and you're good to go. I hope this has been helpful to you. I'm sure going to use it, and I'm going to use it for every spool of ribbon I have from now on and forthcoming. Have yourself a crafty day, my friends, and we will see you soon with more tips and crafty ideas. This is Yvonne, and I'm signing off.